Hi guys, and welcome back here to the channel. And today we have something different for all of you. As you probably all know, in this channel we mainly do drone videos, but today I wanted to keep it a little bit of a swing. I got a couple passion aside from drones, and that includes tennis and technology as a whole. So expect a little bit of that as well, and maybe even some car content maybe here in the near future. But today you might be wondering, what is this video all about? Well, you have probably seen the title and thumbnail, and today we're bringing you an unboxing of, yes, ladies and gentlemen, the new Nike Air Zoom Vapor Pro. Here they are. So these are the new shoes, which are the new generation of the old Air Zoom Vapor ones, which I actually have right here. These shoes are one of the most popular ones out there right now. Most players are still wearing them, including players like Holger Rune and Carlos Alcaraz. And it looks like they haven't made the switch to the new version, the Vapor Pro 2s. And so I've been wondering, why have they not made the change? And so I am ready to find out why that is. Today we're going to be bringing you an unboxing, and in the next video we're going to be making a comparison between the Air Zoom Vapor Pro 1s and the Vapor Pro 2s and see, is there really a difference between the two? So stay tuned for that video coming here in the near future. But today we're here to take a closer look at these new Nike Air Zoom Vapor Pro 2s. So let's see what we got. These are size 8 US. So let's go ahead and unbox them right here. Retail price for these bad boys comes around $120 US. So let's go ahead and open them up right here. So we're greeted with this brand new Vapor Pro 2s. This is the Wimbledon colorway. I got this in this color to go along the Wimbledon bag back there. So we had the full set. But here we have them. They look pretty nice. They do feel a little bit more sturdy, maybe not as flexible as the Vapor Pro ones. We're gonna go up ahead and find out that in the court. But I do kind of feel like a little bit less ankle support, like right from the get-go. And the lacing system, the lacing right here, I think I like the one on the Vapor Pros one a little better. But let's take a close look at the second pair. So here we have them. Sole plate looks to be a little bit more rugged maybe, and maybe a little bit more durable, because these Vapor Pro ones, these are pretty much gone. But I mean, you can clearly see that these ones have a much different sole plate. They have different cuts and depth, but this one's pretty solid, pretty same all around. So not a lot of changes throughout the traction. It looks like the pattern is pretty much the same when it comes to the sole plate. Now right here they do seem to be way thicker than the Vapor Pro ones, maybe twice as thick. We're gonna see how they actually feel in the feet, and that's gonna be pretty much it. We do see right here the guards. I do like that we have some nice protection right here for when we're sliding around the court. And these are hard court shoes. These are not clay shoes, just so that you guys are aware of that. But aside from that, this is hard plastic. This is not soft. So I do like the fact that that's hard, because it's going to be making them more durable. But this one, it is soft foam right here. Now this in the back feels pretty soft to touch. This one, this right here, looks to be some sort of Nike Flyknit. I don't know really, but aside from that, they are a really good looking shoe. And we do see that it says right here 8 millimeters. You might be wondering why that is, and well, the reason why is because the grass height in Wimbledon, the thickness is 8 millimeters. So I do appreciate Nike giving us a little bit of interesting facts into the shoes. I really appreciate that from them. But that is gonna be it from the shoes. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a couple up close look at the shoes, and then we're gonna go ahead and come back and wrap this video up. So there they are. These are the Nike Air Zoom Vapor Pro 2s, which have been in the market for a while now. There are some good deals in some stores out there. So what I'm gonna go ahead and find out is whether or not these are gonna be worth the price in our next video, and comparing them next to the Air Zoom Vapor Pro ones, which I know a lot of players out there love playing with them. So that is going to be it for this Vapor Pro 2s. Next video, stay tuned. We're gonna be giving you the first fit feel as well as in court performance. So that is going to be it. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section down below. But that is going to be it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow in a brand new video. This is Torn Emotion, signing out.